Hey, I'm back. 2 in 1 day. Aren't you lucky? I'm back to talk about BioPharma catalysts. Because tomorrow, a small company, ticker LPCN, has a PDUFA date, meaning that the FDA will rule on their new drug authorization tomorrow. Now, what does this all mean? Let's just get into it. LPCN is a company with a $110 million market cap that's never produced a dime of revenue and whose stewardship I don't even think is trying to give accurate guidance anymore, but who also happens to be developing a drug called Tolanda, which if successful will be the only oral testosterone replacement therapy on the market. Now, what you have to understand is this drug is going to be for hypogonadism in the same way Adderall is only for ADD or Viagra is only for erectile dysfunction. That is a joke. As it stands, 500,000 prescriptions for testosterone replacement therapies are already filled monthly. If this one's approved, they'll be handing this shit out like candy. Unfortunately, though, most new drugs are not approved, and this one is no different. There's huge risk involved with this, especially since LPCN has pretty much been on a mission to gap and crap its way to zero since the company was first formed. Now, if you follow me on Twitter, you might have been able to catch the anticipatory run-up when I posted about it a few weeks ago, but playing the actual PDUFA date is going to be a story of the early bird catches the worm. There's no real way to predict whether or not this drug is going to be approved or not. All we can really do is plan for what we do when we hear news and try to get to the news the fastest. If this drug is denied, short this company into the ground. They do nothing, they have no earnings, this is it for them. If this drug is approved, it's gonna be huge. I think the value of this company quadrupling is well within the realm of possibility. That's it. That's all I got on this one, guys. Good luck, make some money, and I'll see you in the next one.